Alright, so I decided to change what I'm going to do with this, because this, I don't know if this is going to stay focused here or not. Let's see. I can make it stay focused without causing what seems like a... Start digging down in here, and you can see there are worms all over the top surface of it. They move down because I just put a bunch of water in there. Change the way I'm doing that because I'm really freaking out every time it works. Alright, so rinsing it down, changing the way I'm doing this. Just in here and the other one probably too, because they're cleaning it out pretty fast. And I got a bunch of stuff that needs to go in. So I'm adding it now. Cantaloupe, a bunch of grapes. Okay, so that's what I'm adding. Okay, bin 3. Wow. Look how well groomed the top of that looks. And those sprouts really just want to keep coming. There's worms trying to hollow that thing out. Look at that. Working on it. So now I'm going to change this. Okay, now I'm going to lift this onion and we'll be able to see what's up under there. Now look at all the adults. It's trying to grow, but look at all the adult worms up under there. They love it. And look how they're, I don't know if this is visible there or not, but you can see how the worms are laying in it. Seems to like those onions. Sorry everybody, yeah, we're all situated. Anyway, you can see how it's just starting to sink. Just starts sinking. Or how's that look? Like it's sinking. And it's those guys eating it. Or whoever. Alright. Here we go, going flat. As fast as possible. The thing I've noticed most about grapes, anything with a skin on it, you want to break the skin first. The worms will devour it. If not, it'll take them a while to get to it. I think this mouth cut about how their mouth parts are.